Hello everybody, how are you? I am Zef and your teacher here, and I will be teaching you different questions and their answer. So I welcome you on classtheta.com where we will be discussing question. So let's get on the question. So our today's question is roll traction is demonstrated when tires slide across the road. Asian true, Asian false. The correct answer of the question. The statement rolling transaction is demonstrated when tires slide across the roads is false. Rolling transaction or traction, also known as rolling motion, with doors flying, typically occurs when tires are in motion and the bottom of the tire remains at rest with respect to the road surface. So that the correct answer of the question. If you have any question, just a comment. I will be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Until next question, bye bye.